Thank you for subscribing to our channel, Accentify. We are thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey to learn English through storytelling. Our channel is dedicated to helping you improving your English skills in the most natural, engaging, and effective way possible by reading and listening to motivational stories and words of wisdom. Let's face it, learning English doesn't have to be boring. Our goal is to help you gain confidence in English through stories, while also providing you with a daily motivation. This combination is key to keeping you motivated and progressing, not only in your English journey, but in your overall personal development and success. Why stories? In our extensive experience, we have discovered that the most effective way to learn and truly master English is through reading and sharing stories. Stories are not only enjoyable, but also help us communicate naturally, understand phrasal verbs, and perfect our pronunciation. Phrasal verbs are one of the most essential elements for expressing yourself clearly and confidently in English. Yet, they are often overlooked. That's why, at the end of every story on our channel, we provide a clear summary of the phrasal verbs used and how they can be applied in everyday conversation. This approach ensures you can develop a strong grasp of phrasal verbs while improving your pronunciation, speaking, listening skills, and overall communication, all in an engaging and enjoyable way. This is exactly what we focus in every video. Here is what's make our channel unique. Every story you hear on this channel is voiced by us, completely and authentically, with no AI, artificial intelligence voiceovers. We speak clearly and patiently, making sure that you can follow along easily. This way, you are not just learning English, you're learning from a human voice, a real and genuine experience, because we believe that the human touch makes all the difference when it comes to learning. In each video, we will guide you through a motivational story that's not only inspiring but also rich with valuable language lesson. At the end of every story, we provide tips on how to improve your speaking, a list of phrasal verbs used in the story, and guidance on where to place emphasis while speaking. We believe that practice is the key to mastering any skill, and learning English is no exception. In every video, we provide the option to download the story script in PDF format from our website. You'll find the link in the first comment of each video. So, visit our website, grab the script, and practice with it right in front of you. What will you gain? By following along with these stories, you will improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, phrasal verbs, and your confidence in speaking English. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to fine-tune your skills, this channel is here to support you every step of the way. So, if you are ready to learn English the fun, authentic, and effective way, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and start exploring the videos. Let's grow together, one story at a time. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.